Hi guys and welcome to our physics series. Today we have November 2018 paper 1 standard level time zone 1. Question 3. A truck has an initial speed of 20 meters second negative 1. It decelerates at 4 meters second negative 2. What is the distance taken by the truck to stop? As usual, we have our own keywords in each question. Now we have initial speed, deceleration, and distance, and final velocity, which is 0. U, which is initial velocity, is 20 meters second negative 1. Acceleration symbolized by A, which is 4 meters second negative 2. And final velocity, which is 0. To determine the value of the distance taken by the truck to stop, we have to choose one of the equations of motion. V squared equal U squared plus 2AS. The final velocity is 0 equals the initial velocity, which is 20 squared plus 2 times A, which is 4, times S, which is the displacement or distance. The truck is decelerating. For this reason, we have a change in the sign, which is in between these two terms, into negative sign. And the 20 squared to the left side, which is negative 400, equals 2 times 4 is negative 8S. So negative 400 divided by negative 8 equals 50 meters. And the correct answer is C.